Official Arkansas Climate Summary is at 9 a.m. February 15th, 2025. There may be in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, Sebastopol on the next good weather day.
For a weekly test live, boys.
This variability normally more noticeable.
The National Weather Service, WNG 608, serves the people.
Highs in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 30 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy with slight chance of showers in the evening, then occasional showers and chance of thunderstorms.
Go bring it. You see?
Activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the
Here we
National
go.
Weather Service each Wednesday
Between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. local time. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of these broadcasts, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. In Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Cole, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagoner, and Washington. In Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. In Missouri, McDonald and Berry. And in southeast Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast.